Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to be showing you how to make the tastiest guacamole ever, so let's get started. So first off, you're going to need 3 avocados, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 lemon, 2 green chilies, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, and salt and pepper to your preference. We're going to start off by cutting the avocados in half, taking off the peels and the seeds. Next, dice each of the tomatoes into small cubes. After that, remove the seeds from the green chilies and dice both of them evenly, like so. Then dice half of the onion into small cubes, kind of like we did with the tomatoes. Then you're just going to want to cut your lemon in half and squeeze out half of the lemon juice. For this, we just used a lemon squeezer, but if you don't have one, you can obviously just use your hands. They work just as well. So you should now have 6 peeled and seedless halves of avocados, 2 diced tomatoes, 2 diced green chilies, 1/4 cup of diced cilantro, and half an onion. It's also important to remember that these ingredients can vary and don't have to be precise, so you can change them up to your liking. Moving along, we're just going to mash the avocados in a mixing bowl until they're nice and textury. Also, try not to go overboard with this step because at the end of the day you still want that chunky texture in your guac. Once the texture is as you like it, just add the chopped ingredients into a mixing bowl. And obviously you can decide how much lemon juice you want, same goes for the pepper and salt. Finally, mix all the ingredients thoroughly, but once again keep in mind not to mix too much because we obviously still want that chunky consistency in our guac. And that's it. So as you know, guacamole is typically served with chips, which is super yummy, of course. But you can also have it spread on bread in the morning for a much healthier alternative. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time.